Hello. Today we're going to talk about the new Tracker Suite software solution for state audit organizations. Tracker Suite is a low-code, no-code portal that provides meaningful business solutions for large organizations. We're going to cover what a typical auditor organization looks like, the process and problems we solve. I'm going to show you the actual solution, and then we're going to talk about how you can learn more. Every state has a state auditor. The state auditor reports into the legislature and is responsible for auditing the financials of the state to ensure their integrity. They produce what's called a CAFR, a Comprehensive Annual Financial Report. They also produce various performance and procedural audits, IT security audits. They look into fraud and abuse, and they provide special audits for things like disaster assistance, COVID recovery, things of that nature. A typical audit organization is organized into departments. They have a department for the audit types: financial, investigative, administrative, IT, performance, and special audits. These organizations work with agencies and auditees to produce the audits that are reported to the public and the legislature. Auditors are the quintessential knowledge workers. They have knowledge and they have information literally everywhere, on their desktops, on their physical desks, on network drives, and SharePoint sites, in their email. And this type of an organization works until it doesn't. Sometimes you want to assemble all of this not integrated information into a useful integrated form. It turns out to be very difficult and time consuming. That's where Tracker Suite comes in. Tracker Suite helps you manage your islands of non-integrated information and turns them into integrated information. We provide a consolidated contact database and distribution list. So if you need to send out a notice on a new audit requirement, we have a mailing list you can just send out a mailer to. We provide audit planning, electronic audit planning, so you can see where the staff is booked for the week, for the month, for the quarter, for the year. We provide documentation and work paper management. We also manage the templates for the documentation, the work papers. We have records retention policies, so we can tell Tracker how long to keep the records around. We have a centralized workflow. So all of our timesheets, expense reports, work papers go through the same workflow. Everything's web-based, so you can get to a time and expense report, a document anywhere in the world. And when you need the information, for example, reports by Senate district and congressional district, you can get it. The way our low-code, no-code solution works is it's a portal. And the portal knows who you are and what level of access you have to things like people, phone list, vacation schedules, things of that nature. Auditees, do you have access to view the auditees? Can you update the information? Can you send them an email? Also audits. Can you propose a new audit? Can you staff an audit? Can you schedule an audit? Can you report time against an audit? We do all this with our directory manager. We also have electronic forms, time tracker, expense tracker, vacation tracker, and instant functions like invoice tracker, where you can just instantly roll up an invoice to bill a client for an audit. All this information is integrated and reportable. We have work papers, issues and findings, other applications are payment tracker and support tracker. Let's have a look.